Hello, this is Kajik Luna, and today we are watching a YouTuber called Dude Perfect and of the airplane, and let's see those skills that they got.
This is the triple hoop loop-de-loop. Coming at you, Codes. Ready? It looks good.
Ooh.
It feels good.
Oh, right in the chest.
I'm feeling good. The sun is shining.
Plane to the chest.
Dude Perfect.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to
I wish I had
Trick
these planes.
Shot. Here we
It's
go.
all
Ooh, check it out. Ooh, oh,
This is the Limbo Lander.
Nimble Lander. Whoa, wait. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, oh,
What a landing. Loop.
and land. Ooh. Oh, look, it's a mini one, like this.
on the big stage.
Pilot Ty coming at you from the top level of DPHQ2. As you can see,
He's like a
I fastened
spike
an
and-
extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane because I've got a blind balloon downstairs in the kitchen, and this is the blind balloon buster.
Blind balloon buster, what?
It's all about. Check it out.
Oh, that was good. That's be 12 hours.
Just check it out.
Woo, basketball.
This shot right here is about to be so lit, fam. I'm just
Lit.
kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
Oh, is that? Oh, that was cool.
I feel like Cody and Ty get a
Uh-oh.
lot of credit for doing the trust shots. I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it.
I'll be impressed if he does it.
Device on the front of it to pop this balloon.
Come
There
on.
are no bloopers on this.
If you get this one, people are gonna like. They'll like the video.
Yeah,
they'll get the
I'm gonna like it.
I appreciate that, guys.
Okay.
We all do. This is the no-looking looper.
Show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Jeez, that was so scared in real life. That has to be like
I mean,
15,
come on, huh?
12 hours.
This is your captain speaking. We no longer have any wings.
Got our modified plane, a couple wingtip adjustments, and we're gonna go for a barrel.
Oh, better
This
roll.
is the barrel roll bomber.
Oh, Jesus. That was so cool. Woo.
That was amazing!
Bad Cat, this is Speed
What the hell?
Need immediate evac. Going into enemy territory. My hook's deployed. Pull your shooting, I'll save you.
That was a GoPro. Oh. Was he gonna catch it?
Truth is,
Fail.
we feel a lot differently in our minds.
This is where they're thinking. Yeah, that is.
He was so much safer floating down in his parachute.
Yeah, you're right.
This is the airplane boomerang.
I'm playing a boomerang. Touch me, yeah. Woo! Jesus. That's scary in your eyes. If you do it. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles.
Oh, they like that hard. Oh, don't tell me they cut it in half.
Double bottle busting laser shot.
Oh! Look at that slow motion.
Innovations that have never been seen before.
Whoa.
This is the banking gonger.
That definitely took forever to do it. That definitely took forever. Oh, yeah. That was really cool. Twin spin. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Nice.
Let's go! Woo!
Check me out.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to you quick and fast, you call the Dude Perfect Express International Swisher. It's go time.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Oh, yeah. Woo. Look, it went on the bottom and then, ooh.
What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Before we go to our normal outro, as many of you know, Hurricane Harvey has hit our home state of Texas, and while being in Dallas, we're not direct.
Okay, these guys are awesome. I think I'm gonna make a part 2 video, and I'm gonna make a part 2 video from 5 minutes. Okay, so see ya.